Hello YouTube. I'm gonna do another video of the dragon chambers. There's my one desktop, the Dell. There's my HP laptop, and there's my tower case for the Dell desktop. And there is my latest computer, the one that I'm actually using for editing. So, little small keyboard, small magic mouse, my ham radio gear right there, very old Yaesu FT7. There's one of my helmets, and the other helmets are still in the old antique wardrobe. And all my gloves and stuff's in the first drawer right here. So, and of course my boots are up there. Got one pair, two pair, three pair, four pair of riding boots. And this right here is a old pair of Alpine Stars. Old pair of A-Stars. Dirt bike boots that I do sometimes ride on the sport tour with. And here's my other pair of Alpine Star boots. My cold weather and wet weather boot, which I love that boot to death. Get it out here in the light so you can see a better shot of the boot. It's an old pair too. Stepped on my doggy's squeaky toy. And this is my latest pair of boots that I wear most of the time, my field shears. I need to clean them up, they're dirty now. And of course there's my Joe Rocket riding jacket. My other riding jacket's down there on the floor right now. And there's my jacket from Germany. It's just real cold weather. And there's my Frank Thomas one-piece suit right there, which I will be wearing a lot more this summer. And there's the Nitro helmet, which actually belongs to my daughter. And I borrowed it about a year ago and ain't returned it yet. Shame, shame. And like I said, there's that computer. I don't know why wavy lines are coming over the bloggy right now, facing the computer. I don't think it's doing it on the Apple. No, it's not doing it on the Apple, and it's not doing it on that one. It's just strange why it's doing it on the I guess it's because it's pointed at the old CRT monitor, maybe. That's just weird. But that's about it for now. I'm gonna go ahead and plop this camera into the back of the Apple here and iMac, and run this little short video, 4 or 5 minute video through iMovie, and go ahead and upload it. And y'all give me some ideas on some topics if you don't mind. And I will catch y'all later. Bye.